Boleh, Mak.
Onde, banyak lawak sih kalau ya. Onde.
Apa, Mak?
Lawak banyak leh.
Lawak apa, Mak?
Ndek bocek godang-godang lah. Dat.
Nek bocek, Mak.
Bocek godang lah. Ada dah. Masuk kurca kon ada mam. Dulu kami modal ke.
Mana, Mak?
Kesan dan sarang.
Habis ya?
Anang demam yang. Dulu kami modal nanti udah itu.
Oh, Mama, Mak.
Capek. Malam lagi leh.
Iya, dah, Mama, Mak.
Dah saya kan, ni coba dengan nak nyuang.
Mana? Enggak. Lama, Mak. Doanya, Mak.
Lain.
Boleh, Mak.
Onde, banyak lawak sih kalau ya. Onde.
Apa, Mak?
Lawak banyak leh.
Lawak apa, Mak?
Ndek bocek godang-godang lah. Lawak.
Ndek. Bocek, Mak.
Bocek godang lah. Ada dah.
Mak, me nyok ember, Mak.
Ya, ber godang leh. Onde, alhamdulillah banyak leh. Wah, Mas Haji makan ikan. Mas Haji makan ikan cucu Deyen. Apa dah tut.
What you got to play, generic drops for days. Still the people rage, am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. She's so on like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that.